In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shareable link in Google Drive. If you need to quickly send someone a file or folder without attaching it to an email, Google Drive makes that very simple. A shareable link gives you an easy way to let other people open the item directly from their browser, which is especially useful for documents, presentations, images, or entire folders. To get started, go to your Google Drive homepage. This is the main Drive screen where all of your stored files and folders are organized. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account before you begin, especially if you use more than one account for work, school, or personal storage. Once you're in Google Drive, click on My Drive in the left-hand column. This takes you to the main area where your files and folders are stored. From here, you can browse through your content and locate the exact item you want to share. If you already see the file or folder on screen, you can simply stay there and continue. Next, find the file or folder you want to create a shareable link for and click the three dots next to it. Those three dots open the More Actions menu, which gives you access to several options for managing that item. This is where you'll find the sharing tools you need. After the menu opens, hover over Share. When you place your cursor over this option, a side menu will appear with more sharing-related choices. This is an important step because it leads you to the link sharing option rather than opening unrelated file settings. Then click on Copy Link. As soon as you do that, Google Drive will generate a link for that file or folder and copy it to your clipboard. You can now paste that link wherever you want, such as in an email, a chat message, or a document. One helpful tip to keep in mind is that copying the link does not always mean everyone can automatically open it. In some cases, the file may still have restricted access depending on its current sharing settings. So if someone tells you they can't open the link, you may need to review the sharing permissions in Google Drive. And that's it. Once the link has been copied, your shareable Google Drive link is ready to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.